You want to eat M&M? You're done?
Yeah. Hi, Egan.
What's that? What are you eating, Egan? What are you having? Chocolate? M&M. Is that your favorite?
Amen.
Amen. Amen. M&M. Amen.
Egan. Eat a lot of chocolate.
Mm.
Daddy and Pee-Pee, I have to go to the party. Daddy, I have to go potty.
Sabina, you're a mess. Just hold it.
What's that color, Egan? What's the color?
Yellow.
Yellow? Oh, he said yellow. I heard him say yellow. That's good, Egan. Say, what's that? Say green. You can say green. What's this?
Red.
Orange? What's that? Orange? What's that? I don't know. Uh-oh. That was the last one. What's the last one, Egan? What's the color? You want more? You want more? Okay, can you give him more? Alright, here. You want more?